How to use Zoho Assist Honest Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Zoho Assist is a reliable remote support and screen sharing tool, but beginners often make mistakes that limit productivity. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They don't set access controls correctly. The surprising truth is that default settings may give too much access or restrict essential functions. Adjust permissions for each user carefully. Another common mistake is ignoring session scheduling. Zoho Assist allows scheduled sessions, but many users rely solely on instant sessions, which can create workflow conflicts. Plan sessions ahead to optimize support time. Many users also fail to leverage integrations with ticketing or CRM systems. Integrating Zoho Assist streamlines customer support and ensures consistent documentation. Finally, beginners often skip session recording. Recording remote sessions allows follow-up, training, and accountability. Not using this feature can lead to repeated mistakes or confusion. In conclusion, using Zoho Assist properly means configuring access controls, scheduling sessions, integrating with workflows, and recording sessions. Avoiding these mistakes ensures secure, efficient, and professional remote support.